Happy Friday, it's Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. I hope y'all are having a great Friday, so happy Friday to everybody out there. I want to go over touchless wheel cleaning. Got two products, I'm going to tandem together and we're going to put them to the test. I will bring y'all in. I will do, I guess right here, just to show you how filthy these things are. But here, bear with me. I hate this part. Hold on. Alright, we'll get that line going right there. Hope y'all can see it. Hope y'all can see it. Alright, so there we go. Alright, so right here, that's where it is. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'm in the sun, so it's difficult to see the camera. Anyways, let me set y'all back. Let me set you down. Sorry, bear with me. Thank you so much for your patience. Okay, I'm going to get right into it. I don't like to waste time. I'm pretty straightforward. So both these products, they are diluted 4-to-1, so it means you're saving money, which is always a good thing, especially in the auto detailing business, or auto detailing world. God bless. Whew, doggy, it is hot here today. I'm sorry, you don't care about how much perspiration's coming off my forehead. Anyways, I'm gonna get right to it. Here we go. I'm gonna try to get it evenly on there for you guys. And both these products can be found at O'Reilly Auto Parts. That is the upside. I love it when I can find a product at O'Reilly Auto Parts. Downside to these, they're normally not readily available till 1 or 2 days, depending on when you make your order or place it. I know one of these is not very friendly to some shipping areas, but that's just how it goes. So next, we got this one, 4-to-1. Gonna put it on there. I think I let that sit for 30 seconds. I'm not trying to let it cake on there. One is acid-based. One is a concentrated cleaner. I don't even think they put it down as a degreaser. So, and it doesn't stain anything I've seen. Y'all might be able to see this right now. I think the dirt's just falling off. Alright, so I think that's set long enough. It's in the sunlight. I do not want a chance hurting these rims. So here we go. Not sure I've seen anybody do this combo before, but man, those look good. Woo-wee! Man, hit those with an air dryer or a blower or something really quick. Man, that's be looking really good. Alright, so let me just bring you in really quick. I'm gonna get y'all in a sneak peek. Alright, close up, hold on, forgive me. Do it really slow. I don't like to move too fast. Sometimes I've caught myself moving too fast when I'm trying to do the slow version, get y'all in really close. I really do want to be as transparent as possible. I do not want y'all to think I'm messing around or just pulling any funny business. Nobody likes that, especially I don't. I can tell you that much. So, anyways, so let me just camera really quick, let y'all keep, whoop, sorry, apologize. Alright, first product, here we go. Both are from the same company. This one is Pink Perfection by Superior Products. It's a concentrated cleaner. Guess what? I got cheat notes because I can't remember some of this stuff half the time. Look at that penmanship. It's amazing. $9.79 for a gallon. Not bad. Not bad at all. Especially when you get to dilute it 4-to-1. So you're saving money. The other one, the acid-based cleaner. Same company. Superior Products. Wire wheel cleaner. Acid-based cleaner. And again, I wrote a cheat down. $15.99 per gallon. I don't know if y'all can see that. There you go. At O'Reilly Auto Parts. For a gallon. Saving money, saving time. I don't know anybody that likes cleaning wheels. I'm definitely not the biggest fan of them, but when I do them, I really try to make sure they look good. So, anyways, thank y'all for tuning in. I appreciate y'all so much. And I'll catch y'all later. Take it easy. Be good. Be kind. Love one another.